Good evening, everyone. It's Tina here with Master Odor Removal. I'm here in Valley View, Columbus area, servicing this home for a real estate investment company. This is the second property I've done for them. They do flips, they own rentals, they own apartments. This odor in here is tobacco. So I'm treating everything, getting it back to clean and fresh smelling. We also remove pet cooking, tobacco, and mildew odors. We can get rid of about 95% of skunk odors. Our local number here is 614-845-1848. We'd love to earn your business, so give us a call. Take care, everyone.